Hey everybody, it's Kelly. How are you? I wanted to read to you today The Three Little Kittens. It's one of my favorite books from kindergarten by Paul Galdone, and I really wanted to share it with you because I think it's really cute. And when I was in kindergarten, we did a play. I think I was one of the little kittens. So I thought you might enjoy it. So sit back and listen to The Three Little Kittens. Let me get this closer for you. The Three Little Kittens. It was illustrated by Paul Galdone too. All right. The three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Wah, wah, they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. Oh, they lost their mittens. The three little kittens have lost their mittens. What? Lost your mittens? You naughty kittens. Oh, Mom was mad. Then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 meow. They don't sound very happy. The three little kittens found their mittens and they began to cry. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. What? Found your mittens? You good little kittens. Then you shall have some pie. Purr, 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 purr. The kittens get their pie. The three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up their pie. Oh, they're eating their pie. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled. Oh, no. What? Soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens? They began to sigh. Meow, 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 meow. The three little kittens, they washed their mittens. They washed their mittens. Oh, mother dear, look here, our mittens we have washed. What? Washed your mittens? You darling kittens. But hush, I smell a rat close by. A rat close by. Yes, we smell a rat close by. Meow, 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 meow. All right, I hope you enjoyed that book. The Three Little Kittens Who Lost Their Mittens. But they were sure to find them because they wanted pie. All right, well, have a good day. And if you like this, just hit like, or you can subscribe to listen to more books if you'd like. All right, have a great day.